Good morning, lovely people. It's Mike from Leighton Buzzard Cars and Coffee. We're at the September meet. It's Sunday morning, a little bit overcast. Let's go and see what we can find in the yard today. So this is Mike's Cosworth. He also has an Evo. He has an R32 GTR Skyline as well, both of them just as mint as this. I absolutely love this car. It's been down before. It is an absolute showstopper. It is a great looking car. It is a genuine Group N car too. The size of the turbo on the thing is astronomical, which you will see shortly. So I'm just panning across the yard now, give you an idea of the calibre of cars that we get turn up. Where are you going to see a Mondeo next to a Skyline, next to a Volvo, next to a Triumph? Look at this classic. This hot rod looks fantastic. Pro street car, fantastic looking engine bay. Every part of it was just so clean. Finished off with a nice big supercharger.
Don't ask me about my freedom. Don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?
So not only did we have the Cossie turn up, but we also had an incredible looking Ibiza, also like a track spec road rally car, but we'll get back to that in a bit. Damien, this is for you. I absolutely love this motor. Damien had one before and he sold it to look after his family, bought him a bigger house, did the right thing, but now he's got himself an absolutely beautiful white one and it does look fantastic. Not that I'd ever get in it with him because he terrifies me with his driving. Right guys, so we're here with Aaron. We've stayed after, just going to have a quick chat about his car. So Aaron, who are you?
Hi, my name's Aaron Marsh. I'm a mechanic. I run a garage in Kings Langley called Langley Autocraft, and this is my 2003 Seat Leon Coupe Ferrari.
Okay, wicked. So tell us a little bit about the car.
Started as a stock car that's kind of evolved. It's got a light build motor, the KO4 TFSI turbo, stripped for track work, wide body front end, yeah.
Excellent. What wheels and tyres are you running on it?
XXR wheels, 9.5 all round, so square fitment,
yeah.
With Nankang AR1s.
And what's the offset on them?
ET20.
Okay, cool. What sort of power is the car putting down?
It's about 360 brake and roughly the same torque figure. Hasn't been on the rollers for a few years now.
Okay, and I see an I Love Meth sticker behind you.
Yes, it runs a water methanol system, injects anything over 18 psi, and I run a 50-50 mix.
Wow. Okay, cool. So, is there anything you've got left to do to this car?
Save weight.
Yeah.
I want to try and flat floor it,
okay.
And just get a lot of seat time in it.
Okay, how long have you had the car?
About 9 years.
Oh, excellent. That's really cool. Okay, cool. So, yeah, anything that's your favourite thing about the car?
I love the brakes. Okay. It's got an amazing set, of touring car AP front caliper setup and a 2-piece rear brake setup from Cookbot, and it's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
Excellent. Cool. Well, thank you for coming down today. We'll keep it short and sweet. I'll take some more shots of the car, and thank you. Cheers, Aaron.
Thank you for having me.
I mean, what a motor. I'd love to have spoken to Aaron for longer about it, but we were it was right at the end of the day. It'd been a long morning, so hopefully we'll get him back on the channel and we will see more of his car. In the meantime, let's enjoy a bit of this AC Cobra.
Said I need more splash. On her tippy toes, she can sneak right past. I'm the man of a dream. She asleep on my ass. That's a hard pass. I don't need a hard pass. Watch out for the snakes in the tall grass. And I don't wanna play with. That's a raw fact. Say a hard head, make a soft. Ooh, big time. Number 9.
I mean, this is just ridiculous. It's a Mark 1 Golf GTI, or a Rabbit for those over in the States and some of the other places in the world. But this one is particularly special. It's heavily modified, but it's period correct. It was done when it was new, and I mean, I've never seen a BBS body kit before, but this one has got a genuine one. BBS front grille, matching BBS wheels. I mean, just look on the corner of the bumper down there, you'll see the logo. It looks absolutely incredible.
Talking dollars, you know that don't make sense. Keep on compliment, I know I'm amazing. She just feed me grapes, she look like a raisin. Come on, spend it in the day, I don't do no saving. Use to make plays, trapping.
Look at that interior. I love red. Red leather is fantastic. Red carpets, all custom audio, custom dash, custom wheel. I mean, the dash is made from wood. All the door cards are made from wood as well, and it just looks fantastic. Real nice period correct car.
In the air, that's a lot of pride. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me.
So this is Gav's S14. It is actually running an RB engine. It's got quite a bit of poke to it, and this is the first time Gav's been down to our meet, but I've known him for a few years now. Hopefully again we'll see more of that. So again, it's not often you see 2 race cars come to your Cars and Coffee meet, but this one is something special as well. This is from Greg down at Vag Tech, amazing garage. If you're looking for any Vag work, anything special, go and see these boys. They know what they're doing. Look at the interior on this beast. I'm not 100% if that's sequential, if that's just a custom shifter. All I know is this thing is running over 400 brake, another car on meth injection, but doesn't it look great? I've waited for ages to see this, and it was well worth the wait. Good job, Greg. I do like your car, mate.
See you, mate.
Just a little side note, looking at the little Rover coming up on the screen now, it's owned by a really young lad, and to be fair to him, that's his daily, but it's also his track, and he also does rally racing in it as well, like street time racing, so fair play to him. And also, who doesn't love a Skyline? And that's it for this month. Thanks for everybody who came. What a great month. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. You've got Usually Broken Cars and LB Cars and Coffee, and join the Facebook group Latin Buzzard Cars and Coffee to see when we're meeting. Don't forget to, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.